Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can basically find your exported videos on CapCut PC. So for instance, you have a video and you just selected export and you don't know where you exported your video, you can simply just hit the export button again, and then this will be your file path. So you can just select it and you're just going to copy it, and then you're just going to go to your folder and you're going to paste it on your path like here. You're going to paste it there, and that's where your video should be. If not, once you're done exporting, just press export, and then you're going to select open folder, and it's going to be it's going to open the folder that exported file is. And yeah, that is basically where your file should be. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!